smash this door right in. Or that. I mean, what's the use of a lock if you could just pull the screws right out? Here's the kicker. This door. I had previously barricaded off the front door, so I was trying to grind my way in through that side door, and I assumed this utility closet was already locked. But it wasn't. So now I'm going to barricade the side door as well. So good. That carpet underlayment deteriorated to the point that it turned into this fine green powder which got into my boots and all under my clothes. Just real nasty to deal with. I'm very glad I had my mask. Why do you put metal sealed? Why do you put this in the fridge? I'm getting overloaded with so much junk. I have to organize this carport area. I can't get the dumpster in yet because my gate is too narrow for the truck to get through. So I've got to do some work before I can even get a dumpster in. I'm gonna be in here for a while. There's so much junk. How is there so much junk? This is how you know it's hot in Georgia. Well, that's about it. Took about 30 bags of trash to get this place clean, plus a whole bunch of wood, recyclable metals. Here's my burn pile. Most of it, I'm not burning the mattresses. Those are going to junk. All that pile is burnable. I got recyclable metals over here. There's at least a ton worth of metal sitting there. I'll get some money back for that. And then tiny bit of trash here. And all this trash over here. 30 bags worth of trash. Plus some couches. I might just burn those and recycle the metal out of them. This section of the carport is near complete failure. If you noticed earlier, I had those 4x4s I brought into the house. I'm going to use those to shore up two sections of this area just so it doesn't completely fail on me while I'm off on vacation for 2 weeks.